The three-row Subaru market is heading into a dramatic new era, and the familiar gasoline-powered Ascent is officially reaching the end of its journey. Replacing it is the bold new 2027 Subaru Getaway, an all-electric family SUV built for modern road trips, daily comfort, and serious performance. Bold transformation. Subaru completely redesigned its flagship family SUV with a sharper and more aerodynamic appearance, while still preserving the rugged personality buyers expect. The new Getaway features muscular body cladding, standard roof rails, LED lighting signatures, and an illuminated Subaru emblem across the front fascia. Ground clearance remains a major strength, with 8.3 inches, helping the Getaway stay adventure-ready despite its electric platform. Subaru clearly wanted this SUV to feel capable beyond city streets, especially for families who still enjoy camping trips and snowy road confidence year-round. Inside, the cabin becomes dramatically more spacious and upscale than the outgoing Ascent. Buyers can choose 7-passenger captain's chairs or a traditional 8-passenger bench configuration, while increased third-row legroom finally allows adults to ride comfortably during longer family journeys. Electric power. The biggest story is unquestionably the next-generation dual-motor electric powertrain. Producing a massive 420 horsepower, the Getaway becomes the most powerful Subaru ever built, while launching from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, which is astonishing for a three-row family SUV. Subaru also keeps its legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system alive through advanced electric motor management in Dual Mode X mode. Drivers still receive snow, dirt, and deep snow settings, preserving the confidence and capability loyal Subaru owners already love during difficult conditions. Range and charging technology finally placed Subaru into serious EV competition. The larger 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery delivers over 300 miles of estimated range, while Tesla-compatible NACS charging allows access to thousands of superchargers with 10 to 80% charging completed in approximately 30 minutes. Pricing breakdown. The lineup begins around $45,000 for the premium trim, which already includes the massive 14-inch touchscreen, Subaru EyeSight safety technology, and wireless smartphone connectivity. Higher trims progressively add luxury materials, upgraded audio systems, larger wheels, and panoramic roof options. The limited trim stands out as the smartest overall value for most families shopping this new electric SUV. It combines the larger long-range battery, leather seating, upgraded cold weather equipment, and premium comfort features without pushing buyers into expensive touring-level luxury territory. Subaru expects dealership arrivals to begin during late 2026, with reservation banks potentially opening earlier during summer. If this launch succeeds, the Getaway could completely redefine Subaru's future and permanently replace the traditional gasoline-powered Ascent formula families have known for years. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the all-new electric Subaru Getaway and the future of the Ascent lineup, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming SUV reviews, EV comparisons, and future automotive updates.